In 2025, Peel Region helped more than 43,000 households through its housing and homelessness programs. Behind every number is a person, a family, and a fresh start. This is Rosheeda's story.
After we had a disagreement and I was asked to leave, and so then I was moved to one of their sister emergency shelters, which I waited for about 6 months.
Rosheeda lives at Birch Place, transitional housing for youth ages 16 to 24. Like many young people, she suddenly faced a housing crisis, and asking for help was not easy.
I connected with Peel Housing through a family friend. She told me about it, and I did it because I wanted to do a fresh start in school.
Housing support helped her take her first step forward. From emergency shelter to transitional housing, she began to rebuild her life. At Birch Place, Rosheeda has more than a roof over her head. She has the support she needs to keep moving forward.
Where I'm living right now, I live in my own space. There's a lot of help that is offered, so really take advantage of it.
Thousands of households were supported in 2025 to stay housed or move forward. With youth shelter and housing support, Rosheeda found stability and a path to long-term housing.
I want to say thank you so much. I don't know if they sleep well at night, knowing that they come here every day, do their best, and I will always keep them in my prayers.
Learn more about our annual report at peelregion.ca/housing.